Love my death rig. Blue bell color button. No. I don't even double feed. Yeah, I do. What's going on here?
We're waiting for it live. Well, it moved, but the tank's still somewhere in the town. I don't know where, but it's somewhere in the town.
Oh, I think it's sitting dug right in the middle.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's about where he's been sitting. He'll roll back and forth and take us out and then roll back. So we're kind of stuck until we get a lock.
You got hit over there? This will go around.
There's a tank sitting right in the middle right now. Okay.
Oh, there's Michael. What are we looking at?
He's shooting over there.
Oh.
Right now they got the whole, there's people in the tower, and they like got the whole side covered.
Yeah, I see a bunch of guys in the, yeah. You know.
What? I know. Can't get to them. You see the window? They just
Yeah. Oh, they're moving up. This is Tucky. There's a guy right to your right. Probably around 1 o'clock.
Did you see that guy run up on?
Yep. Oh shit! Taking fire. By the window? Yep. Yeah.
No, it's in that wooden cabin.
They're moving up. They're
moving up.
They're going to the far right side.
One more moving up again.
Tank's moving.
Is it moving up?
Tank's moving on the left.
Oh, it's coming this way.
It's coming this way. I'm using this car as my cover. There's someone behind that though, it looks like.
Is there?
But, oh, it's a ref watching the tank.
It's okay.
Hi.
Good thing these are.
I think Tank's looking right at us.
Yeah. They're calling us out. Watch your back. Watch your back plane. Oh, yep, they're shooting at us.
We're getting shot at.
Did you want to run? Oh, you got your teammate over there.
Yeah.
All right.
The tank. Oh. Tank's moving back. Tank's moving back.
Hey, where do you guys go to? Right behind me?
I'm still by the red truck.
A Jeep over there? Where? There's someone behind that tree right there that's hidden behind cover also. That double tree that makes an X. He's sitting right there.
Oh, yeah.
You see the glare of his goggles. What?
Guys, you guys got tank right to your 12, so be careful. Stay low.
Tank is going to the right. Tank is going to the right. Repeat. The tank is continuing going to the right.
Tank is looking your way, guys.
Hey, Josh, is it safe to come over there?
Yeah, if you come back like when we were about to enter, just come through the wood side to the red truck, then it's safe.
I'm right to your right, so if you look to your right, I'm over here.
Yeah, you guys are clear to come up. Brother, just don't come on the main road. Just come up behind.
Nhưng mà cột nó nhỏ hả?
Bang bang.
Oh, the free tag.
Huh?
Is it? Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think
so.
so. Hey, you guys crawled on the M60 yet?
Stop.
I think like after halftime, I'm gonna use that.
That 960, which one?
It's shooting good, but it
thing
doesn't
right there.
shoot that far and shoots that.
That's the thing right there. Josh, take low, back up.
Tank, move, guys. Tank. Tank.
Yeah, they're going to left though.
Yeah.
You see the customer
Hey. Stay out of the open. Come. Stay away from the window. Tank is coming to the left.
Tank on the hot.
Is it?
Yeah, right there. Still on your right. Left. It's moving left.
Yeah, I mean, roll this one. He's going that way. This one. Watch if it turns that corner. I'm tired of running too.
Hey, if the tank's over here, we're going to push it.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking. Yeah, because that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's Tank.
Okay. You guys want to do it?
Let's go out the left.
Easy push, I think we still got blue at the. Oh, change the left, hop at the left. Change your blue. Isn't that their tank over there? Josh, isn't that their tank over there, Josh?
Oh, hey, we're getting shot at.
Yeah, stay down. Tank's right there. He's got a clear line of this area.
Okay, come here. Grab my smoke.
Over.
from the top. Two small top one. Yeah, give it to me. You guys ready to make a move? Smoke. Smoke, and then we're gonna move that way. Oh wait, hold on.
Hold on.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Ready? Go. Okay. Tank's still on our left side.
Hey, Tank is moving back. Hey, Tank, they're all in the man here. You guys careful over there.
Let's Tank. Tank's at me. Nice visual on me. If you're popping out this way, should be fine. He's right at the angle. Yeah. Hey, Tank is coming back into mayhem. Hey, Tony. Coming back. Tony. Tank's coming back, right? Tank, is he coming back?
He's about to enter mayhem right now. You guys be careful. Get cover.
He's coming back into mayhem. Tank. Go. Hey.
There's a bear. Get her.
Guys. He's backing off. Yeah. He's just sitting there so that we won't push up. On the other end. Yeah.
Good job, you guys still doing good.
We're at the farthest bunker to the in mayhem. I don't know where you ran to, but we're here.
We've cleared the whole tower. We're clear on this whole.
Oh, yeah, fine.
Except the tank.
That's probably why it came back up. Oh shit, here. It's at the right side. Right.